Welcome to Huson DIY. It's the day 5 of the coffee calendar.
Okay, so as Matilda said, it's December the 5th of this 25-day coffee calendar. Matilda's helping me out today with the coffee. So this is the Brew Company Advent Calendar. We're on day 5, and day 5 is, Matilda? Brazil. So we're going Brazil. So it's a more intense roast today. It's a medium roast, but it's a more intense 4 out of the 5. So we've got to find Brazil in here. Hopefully it's at the bottom. Brazil!
Yay!
So we've got Brazil. So we'll do a quick grind, about a 6-second grind on there. Matilda's going to do it, and then we'll get it poured, give it a taste, and see what it's like. This one has got taste notes of milk chocolate, nutty, and orange. It's got a low acidity as well, so I'm thinking I might prefer this one, especially to yesterday's. So we'll get grinding and get making. Okay, so we've been brewing for a few minutes now. We've pressed the coffee down. Let's give it a taste. Okay, that's nice. Nicer than yesterday's from Colombia. I'm getting a little bit of milk chocolate. Quite nutty, I'd say as well, which is what it says. Really, really nice. Yeah, that's much. In fact, I really like that. Yeah, definitely getting that nuttiness to it more than the chocolate probably, actually. But yeah, really nice that is. So yeah, all information will be below in the description about the coffee from today, which is Brazil. Tomorrow we've got Papua New Guinea coming up, which is an intense medium roast. So looking forward to that one. There's links in the description to the Brew Company website as well with a discount code using the Huson DIY code. So use the links below to get all the information you need. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along, doing all these coffees through December, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.